Welcome to the world of Vimeo. This video sharing platform is a great choice for creators who want to showcase their work in a professional and high quality environment. Whether you are a filmmaker, artist, musician, or just starting out, this beginner's guide will walk you through the essential steps to get you up and running on Vimeo. First, head over to the Vimeo app or Vimeo website and sign up for a free account. Familiarize yourself with the Vimeo dashboard and its various sections. You'll find your uploads, watch list, and other features. Select the video you want to upload from your phone. For example, this one. Click Done, and then provide a descriptive title and a detailed description for your video. Use relevant keywords to help people find your content. And choose who can view your video. It could be public, private, or password protected. And of course, do not forget to optimize your video. Add tags, create a custom thumbnail, and share your video on other platforms by embedding it on your website or blog. You might as well consider upgrading to a paid plan for additional features like higher storage limits, custom domains, and advanced analytics. Vimeo offers a powerful platform for creators of all levels. By following these steps, you can easily get started, upload your videos, and engage with the Vimeo community.